Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: null pointer exception in Java program. Right, so first of all, let us have a small revision. What is exception? So exception means runtime error. What is runtime error? Error which occurs during execution time of a program is known as runtime error. So basically we get runtime errors when we give incorrect input to our program. That means when we are running the program, if you accept any improper input in a program, then we'll get runtime errors. And technically these runtime errors are called as exceptions. So what happens when exception occurs? When exception occurs, program execution stops then and there itself. Okay, means when exception occurs in line 10 of your program, the program stops in line 10, remaining statements are not executed. So technically this is called as abnormal termination of the program. It is called as abnormal termination of the program, and in general words it is called as breakdown of program. So breakdown of program or abnormal termination of the program. So to avoid this abnormal termination of program, we go for exception handling mechanism. Okay, so in exception handling mechanism, we detect the errors, we accept the errors, and we provide a solution for those errors. Okay, so it goes like this: monitor or detect errors, okay, and then accept the errors, and then provide the best solution for the or alternate solution for the errors. So this is the basic mechanism of exception handling. Monitoring or detecting the errors in our program, it is done using try block. Next, accepting the errors is done using throw keyword, and then providing best solution for the errors is done through catch block. So try, throw, catch, these are the three main blocks or three main units of working with exception handling mechanism. Right, so now let us try to understand what is null pointer exception. So first of all, every exception in Java program is an object, and this object is automatically created by JVM if it is a predefined exception, or by developer if it is a user defined exception. Okay, our own exceptions. So coming to the predefined exceptions, at the top level in the class hierarchy of exception, we have throwable class and then exception class. So throwable class and exception class are the two super classes for all the predefined and user defined exceptions in Java programming. And these exceptions are categorized into two: checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions. So checked exceptions are compiler known exceptions. For them, try catch is compulsory. If you don't put try and catch, then we'll get the compilation error. So that is what it is called as compiler checking error. And unchecked exceptions are compiler unknown exceptions. Compiler does not know these exceptions may occur when we are running the program. So for them, try catch is not compulsory, but developer has to detect these unchecked exceptions and provide try catch in the program. Now coming to the null pointer exception. So null pointer is a unchecked exception. So try catch is not compulsory. We have to detect and provide try catch for null pointer exception. So in what situations we get null pointer exception? So null. Okay, so any operation on null value in program, we get null pointer exception. If you perform any operation on null value in a program, we get null pointer exception. So what are these different situations where null pointer exception will occur? We'll try to demonstrate with a small program. Right, so our program name will be null pointer exception example1.java, and then initially we'll take comment program to demo null pointer exception. Right, so we'll take the main class with main method null pointer exception example1. So program execution starts with main method public static void main string of args. Right, so let us save this program in our working directory core Java programs. Null pointer exception1 dot java. Right, so we'll see different situations of working with null pointer exception. First, we'll start a basic one, string ss is equals to hello. Okay, right, so we'll say here system dot out dot println will print ss and will also print length of ss hello, hello. So 5 characters. So save this program, open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile the program. Null pointer exception example1.java, no error, and run it. So hello is the given string, length is 5. So similarly in ss, okay, we have taken hello. Okay, right, now we'll change that value here. So instead of hello, now we will take as null. So null is a default value for any Java object. Okay, so null is default value for any Java object. So what does null means? Okay, null means nothing or no value in general words. In general words, nothing or no value means in SS object of string class there is no value or nothing. So first print SS, you will get, okay, null. So let us print SS, save, recompile, run. Now try to find the length of null. So null means nothing or no value. So we cannot find the length of no value. You will get the error. So no compilation error because it is a unchecked exception. Run, you will get the null pointer exception. Okay, so we are getting null pointer exception when we are finding the length of the string. Okay, so here we'll put the try. Okay, for this, and then we'll put the catch. Null pointer exception NPE. And then we'll give the proper message or solution to this, saying that system dot out dot println operation on null value is not correct. It is not correct operation on null value. This is a message. And we'll also give one more message in the last, something like end of the program. Right, so save this. Now recompile and run. So if you see here, null is the value which is present in SS. Operation on null value is not correct. end of the program. Okay, so now let us make another operation on null value, something like ss dot to uppercase. So to uppercase is a method which is available in string class. I want to convert null into uppercase. Null means nothing or no value. We cannot convert that into uppercase. We'll get a null pointer exception. Catch null pointer exception, and then operation on null value is not correct. If you want operation, so here operation means method functionality on null value is not correct. So this is how we are supposed to work with null pointer exception in a Java program. So that is what is all about null pointer exception. Any operation on null value in a Java program, we get null pointer exception. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.